Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your preferred language on Netflix. So let's begin. So here we are in my Netflix account. Currently here in my browser in netflix.com. So make sure your account is logged in first before we proceed to the steps that we need to do in order for us to change our language. So first of all, let's go into any account. So let's say for this one, right here. And now from here, let's just move this, and from here what we're gonna do is click here at the top right of your screen, and then from here, once you click on this one right here on this drop down menu, you want to go here into account. You want to go into account right here, and then from here you want to go into the bottom, and then from here you want to go to the selected account right here. So for example, you want to change the language for this account, then you would want to expand this right here, this drop down menu. But in this case, I would just want to change for this one right here. So I'm just gonna go and expand this, and then from here I can change the language by clicking here on change right here, and now I can choose the language, anything I want. And once you have selected that, you simply need to click on save after selecting any of this right here. But in my case, I don't want to change the language, so I'm just gonna go and cancel. But in your case, you should click on save, and just like that, you have successfully changed your preferred language on your Netflix account. Thank you for watching.